Hiking time in the desert, and there's our view, the strip, and houses here near the mountain. This is Cheyenne. Ano, Cheyenne, yeah, Cheyenne. Kasi kanina punta sana kami sa Red Rock, pero mayroong big accident sa 215, so Charleston and 215, so we're ending up hiking here somewhere in Cheyenne. And there's Jack, and this is our view, the mountain, and yucca trees, or yucca plant, and some cactus. Oh, there's a biker, cyclist. Yeah. And here's some birds and some crickets. I don't know if it's a crickets or there's no frog. Like, sounds like frog, but there's no frog here. Only crickets and birds. And there's Jack. Hi, Daddy. And I guess the snake are hiding because kind of cool right now. Weather is like 55 degrees. And see the barrel cactus. Yeah. Beautiful cactus. There. Cactus. So yan, guys. And there's like big houses. Like they have a beautiful view in the mountain. And we're gonna continue walking. And there's a butterfly. They're a baby butterfly. White and yellow. There's my Jack. Okay, guys. Thank you all for watching. Kasi gonna continue walking. Bye-bye. Love you all, guys. Hasta la vista. Until next time.